You log into your computer and everything's looking kind of wacky. You're not sure what's going on. Instead of having your normal window take up your whole monitor, instead, you've got this whole monitor that you would normally use. And instead, your window is just like this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What we've got here is a wacky window. All right. You've got basically everything here is the computer, and you've got these black edges, and you're only able to control everything within this square. And you're wondering what's going on. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this. So something happened to cause this. Who knows what? Could have been a Windows update, could have been a graphics card update. All you know is that it's looking like this, and you don't want it to look like that. So here is the fix. What you need to do is right click on your screen and go to Display Settings. Scroll down, and right in here you have a display resolution. And right now it is set properly at 1920 by 1080 recommended. That's exactly where it should be. Now, one thing to kind of keep in mind, this is saying recommended. What I ran across when I was helping a friend that ran into this issue is they were at this 1024/768 and it was saying recommended. So sometimes Windows doesn't get it right. Most of the time, again, I've never seen it be recommended and have it wrong. So this was a first. Most of the time, recommended is going to be the one that you want, and then you will be good to go. I'm Sean, the Tech Gremlin Warrior. Thank you for watching.